A guy is heating leftovers in the microwave, staring at it like he's in a cooking show. Microwave. Beep. Done. Guy opens the microwave, takes a sniff, and frowns. Guy. Still cold? You had one job. Microwave. Oh, I'm sorry, Chef Ramsay. Maybe next time set me for more than 30 seconds. The guy glares at the microwave, slams the door shut, and sets it again. Microwave. Beep. Done. Again. Happy now? Guy takes the food out, burns his tongue, and drops the plate. Microwave. And the Oscar for Best Drama goes to you. If your microwave is this sassy, subscribe and follow for more laughs.